Hi, good to see you again. Today we're going to learn how to write our introduction using our topic sentences. Then we're going to take our introduction to write the conclusion, and then you will have a skeleton essay. Essentially, your essay is already written, and I'll show you how we're going to do that using the skeleton essay method. Okay? So, to write the introduction, take these, you already have these in your writing portfolio, these same PDFs, the same activities. The dog is well trained, the cat is independent, and the fish are interesting. So we're going to take these same topic sentences and write them into our introduction. So the intro would be something like this. I like pets. My dog is well trained. My cat is very independent. And I'm making a compound sentence out of this. And the fish I have are interesting. To watch. There's my introduction. That's it. It's done. I'm telling you what I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about each one of them. Now my conclusion is going to tell you what I talked about. So this is our introduction. Now we're going to take this, take it down and spin it around, and we call it a mirror conclusion. And it's taking this that we have already written and restating it. Remember, we're using the same order. The dog is well trained first, the cat is independent second, and the fish are interesting third. So we use the same order here. So now we're going to conclude. I like having pets. My dog listens to me and obeys. Period. My cat is independent and takes care of himself. The fish are fun to watch. Now I'm going to add a concluding statement. This is why I will always have pets. So you always want to end with a concluding statement about what you said. Now, if you noticed, I didn't exactly write down my introduction. I kind of restated it, but it was the same thing. So if you say my dog is well trained, I said my dog listens to me and obeys. That implies he's well trained. Okay? So you get to take that kind of license now because you're becoming an emergent writer. I want you to download the PDF on this page, and I want you to write your own introduction using your skeleton paragraph topic sentences. That's it. And then I want you to write an introduction from there. Use your own creativity. Then on the next lesson, I want you to download the PDF for conclusions, and you're going to take your introduction, restate it in a conclusion. Okay? When you have that, you're ready to write the essay. You're becoming emergent writers. So go ahead and do that, and then I'll see you in the next lesson.